Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, also known as the Thrifted Ginger, and I'm coming to you today with another ThredUP unboxing. So today I have got the 25 item women's mixed clothing box. This is one of my favorite boxes to get. I always do well with this. I always, all the time, make my money back and then some. So I'm interested to see how this one is. The last one I got was not one of the best ones I've gotten. However, like I said, I did make my money back and then some, but some of these boxes can really bring in some good inventory. I'm located in Tennessee, so I love getting these mystery boxes because a lot of times I can get brands in here that I'm not familiar with, that I've never heard of, so it helps me learn as well as get inventory that I may not have been able to get in my area. So if you're not familiar with ThredUP, ThredUP is basically an online consignment store. People can send in items to sell on there. They can donate items, and ThredUP keeps the profit. And then they do mystery boxes. So mystery boxes are typically, or as they call them, rescue boxes, are typically items either that were listed on ThredUP that did not sell, that the seller did not reclaim, or it could be items that for whatever reason ThredUP never listed due to... With the rescue boxes, you could have flaws. You could have things that would keep it from being listed. If there's not size tags, a lot of times they won't list it. So there's different reasons, but regardless, they are great for some people's reselling business. Not everybody uses them in their business model. I love them. If you have not checked out my last ThredUP video, which was the DIY scrap fabric box, go check that out and you will see why I love getting these boxes. But yeah, so I'm excited. So we're going to get into it. This box came from Phoenix, Arizona. I've not gotten a box from Phoenix in quite a while, so I'm excited to see what's in here. So your box comes like this. I've already got the box actually undone just for ease of time. And then when you open the box up, it has the signature green and white polka dot tissue paper and then a receipt. So this box is the rescue box for mixed clothing, 25 items, and it was $60 plus shipping. So yeah, so let's get into it. I'm excited to see what we've got. All right, first item. I'm actually probably gonna put the box down here just a little bit because she kind of did. And that was loud. All right, first item is... This is Banana Republic, size 4. This is like a navy plaid, if you can see the plaid. Just a little blazer, got a little ruffle with little pockets. It looks like it's like a single front. It does have the size tag. I don't see any flaws on this. This is a 65% cotton nylon blend little blazer. I don't see anything wrong with this. All the buttons are good. I'll actually probably just send this back into ThredUP. And even though that may not make any sense, a lot of times it's just that the items didn't sell, they expired. They only list certain brands for a certain amount of time, whether it's 60 or 90 days, and then the item comes off of ThredUP. Things don't stay up there forever. So if the item is expired and the seller did not reclaim, then they can end up going into these boxes. So I will send them back in. And Banana Republic, I typically always send that into ThredUP. I don't have a good time selling that myself, but I have sold it on ThredUP before. All right, this is a pair of leggings, and this is right here why ThredUP would not take this, I'm sure. There is no tag. It looks like these are probably, oh, these, okay. They were cut, so they are an Under Armour. We can at least see that. But yeah, this is just a little short. Oh yeah, there's the Under Armour logo. These are just like a right below the knee length. They look like they're probably a smock, have like a ruched waist. They're in really good shape. And I will probably just list these on Whatnot. I'll probably just put them in a show, be able to sell them for, you know, a couple dollars. So yeah, no biggie. I'm good with that. The next piece, well. We have Diane von Furstenberg. This is a size 6. It is 95% silk top. Little floral top, has the tie front. It has a sticker on here. Okay, so here you go. So This says flawed freebie. I've never gotten this. Well, here comes my little friend Stan. He's our little white schnauzer. He has broken into the office. It says flawed freebie, so it does have a stain here. And honestly, that looks like it might come out. So it looks like somebody's donated their items and may not have washed it. There is a couple of runs in this. So I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if it's where, yeah, a couple of significant runs actually. So yeah, what I'll probably do, I'll probably see if I can get that stain out. If I can, then this will probably go on to Whatnot, because it is hard to see the runs. It is a cute little top with a little puff sleeve, but it's not anything that I would be able to send back into the ThredUP or Real. Even if they don't see it and end up selling it, it would get returned in my opinion. Stanny. All right, okay, so we have a new day. This is new with tags, a new day. This is an extra small. This is cute. This is that pretty mustardy yellow little tie front dress. And it's got pockets. This is really cute. I'll probably put this, well, I will put this in a Whatnot show. Probably into my fall show. This is a really cute little piece. ThredUP does not take, they've actually changed the different brands that they take. And they do not no longer take like the Target brands. So if you are someone that sends things into ThredUP, just know that they're not going to be listing those items for sale. The next item, this is Universal Thread. It's new with tag, size small. This is just a nice little cotton purple gauzy dress. It has pockets. This is cute. I'll actually probably put this on Whatnot as well. These Target brands do well for me, even on Poshmark. I'm kind of changing up my business model on Poshmark though, so that will go on to Whatnot. Well, okay. This is Madewell, size medium. This is a little jacket. Look at this. How cute is this? It's the tie front. It's got the little roll sleeve. Really nice. Yes, snap front. This is a cotton viscose blend. So I will do a little research on this and just check it to see, make sure it doesn't have, it looks like it's got a little area on the shoulder. And again, this looks to me like somebody donated this and did not wash it. So that looks like that'll come out. I don't see anything else other than that. So I will definitely give that a little wash in the washing machine. I was gonna say in the bathtub. A wash in the washing machine, and we'll be most likely listing that on Poshmark depending on what I feel like the profit will be. All right, the next piece, this is Loft, size small. I like selling Loft. Loft does well for me. This is a really pretty, just a little shift dress. Really, it's really pretty for the season. The color's got a little flutter sleeve. It is lined. And I will probably put that onto Whatnot, actually. It does well on there. All right, this is a Bound. This is a brand that's sold at Nordstrom. This is an extra small. This is a really cute, like, tobacco. Big, chunky turtleneck. Big, wide sleeve, cropped sweater. This color is so pretty for fall. All right. I'm excited, guys. This has been a good one. All right. I have no idea what this brand is. The Couples, size small. It is a green little shift dress. This is a cute dress. I'm gonna have to research this brand and see what I can find out about it. Really cute. Has a little belt in the back that actually wraps around to the front. This is a cute little dress. So yeah, I have to research that and find out what the Couples is. If you know, throw it down in the comments for me. All right, this is a good piece. This is Athleta. This is the Skyline short in a size 6. Has a little paper bag waist. Has the, okay, here's the other tie. It has zip pockets and it ties across the waist. This is really cute. I like selling Athleta. Athleta is doing extremely well right now. So guys, when you think about this box already, it cost me $66 with shipping. Yeah, I mean, we're doing great, and we're only a handful of pieces in. Okay, this is H&M. This is a size 6. This is just a nice little gray blazer. Really cute. And I will put that into a Whatnot show. I don't list H&M, but cute pieces I will sell on to Whatnot. All right, this is Banana Republic. This is a size 0 petite. This is, oh, this is cute. This is like a blue reptile print pantsuit jumper, and it is belted. This is really cute. I'm not sure what I'll do with that. I'm going to put that into my to be determined pile. And I'm not sure what you are. This is just like a little kimono-y top. It's sheer. It's kind of like got a retro feel to it. There's no brand tag. There's no tags in it whatsoever. Oh, wait. I lie. This is 82% polyester, 18% spandex. And it says 0XL, but there is no brand tag and there's no RN number. So I have no clue. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'll do with that one yet. I'll probably do like a Google Lens search on that. The next item is new with tags. This is So. I believe So is sold at like Kohl's, maybe. I don't know. It's not a high-end brand. This is a mid-rise mini skirt, size 32, but this is a really cute style. Green, raw hem. Perfect going into fall. That will go onto Whatnot as well. All right, this is In Focus Studio. This is a size 12. This is just a gold little swing dress. It's really cute. I'll actually just double check this for flaws and probably just send that right back into ThredUP. Not something I'm going to be listing. This is pretty. What is this? I don't know what this is. Ooh, but she's pretty. Love Triangle. Here's the tag. Let me know if you know anything about this brand. Love Triangle, size 12. Look at this little dress. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's kind of hard to... It's got all this like open crochet. It's giving me like Lovers and Friends type vibes. Really cute. So I'm gonna have to research that and see what that is. It does look like it has a little bit of pulling with some of the crochet. So that may be why they didn't take it. Again, it may just be something. They do list unbranded items or assorted brands, like if they don't have the brand in the database. So a brand tag missing won't necessarily keep it from going on, but I don't know. I'll have to research that one. This is White House Black Market. Is a size 12. Look at this dress. How neat is this dress? Here's the top. Has a sheer sleeve with a little bit of a flutter. And then it's just a black swing dress. Really cute. Zips up the back. I will be sending that back into ThredUP. By the time they process it, we'll be starting most likely to get into like October. So that'll be, I think, great going into holidays. Got a pair of leggings. These are Kirkland, size medium. I don't think there's anything really special with those. They are cute. They're super soft. Nice little pair of lounge leggings. They're really, really soft, actually. They have the jogger cuff, little cell phone pocket. I may actually just put those into a Whatnot show in terms of just because they're activewear. Activewear does well for me over there. Here's another nice little piece. Kate Spade, size 8. Look at her. She pretty. It's like a mint green and gold. You can see the design kind of. It's got pockets. It's a sweetheart neckline. It is strapless. It zips up the back. So yeah, I will most likely send that back into ThredUP. But I will see if I can find the style and stock photos and see what the profit is on it. And if it's got a good profit, then I will list that myself. I'm just picky. I had a new with tags Kate Spade dress that I had bought at Ross's. It's probably been about 2 years ago. Really cute, solid white, eyelet, lace, the whole 9 yards. I got it, I paid like $22 for it at Ross's. It stayed listed forever. I actually ended up selling it on the RealReal. Like I finally had to send it into the RealReal. All right, this is Misguided Plus, and I feel like I've heard of Misguided. I feel like it's something that would be good. This is the plus size. This is US size 16. This is just like a palm tree kimono with a little bell sleeve. Has a tassel tie in the front. Yeah, just a nice little kimono. This is cute. This is really cute. So I'll have to research that brand because I feel like I've heard it before. That doesn't mean good or bad. I just feel like I've heard of it before. All right, we got a few more pieces here. What are you? This is White House Black Market again. This is a size 0. This is like a faux leather gray. Cute little jacket, like a little, it has a look of like a denim jacket, but it's got like a faux on it. Let's see here. Oh, this is modal. Okay, this is a 58% modal blend. So I'm not sure what I'll do with this. The fabric alone is worth a lot, but a lot of times ThredUP doesn't take that into consideration. But I don't like selling size 0s. So gotta put my thinking cap on for that one. All right, this is BCBG Max Azria. This is a size small. Now, I have seen people talking about BCBG Max Azria is starting to do better on Poshmark than it was. This is a cute little ruched waist, tie in the back, little blue top. It is polyester spandex blend. So that will go back to, my dog's out here acting like he's somebody. That will go back to ThredUp. BCBG Max Azria, they mark like way up. So I like to send it in there and people buy it from there. So I don't have any luck with it on Poshmark, but I do on ThredUp. Here's another piece, same thing, BCBG Max Azria, size small. I'm guessing this is probably from the same person. It actually looks like it's the same top, just a different color. So, and now both of the little puppers have come in. All right, just a couple more pieces, guys, and we are done. All right. The next piece is TLH by Hype. Never heard of that, so let me know in the comments. I don't see a size. Let me see if there's any tags. This is a size small. It is 100% polyester, but it's a very silky polyester. This is a cute little dress. It crosses in the front, has like the ruched waist. It is fully lined, and then the back is cut out. So yeah, that's cute. So I'll have to research that. And then, oh, this is a new with tag. Okay, this is Fashion Nova, which I don't typically get too excited about. But this is they've sent a matching set. It is a 1X. It just keeps getting better. New with tag. So here is, I don't even know how this works. Oh, okay. So this is the top. It's like a little halter top. It's a cute print for fall, very like retro inspired. But it looks like it probably had a string that went through here and would go around and tie the back, because here's the back and there's no way that's staying on by itself. But the string is not there. So that's very unfortunate. Okay, but the pants still have the tag on them, and they are this good, stretchy, big, huge, wide leg pant. So these pants will definitely go on to Whatnot. And I may include the top with it, because honestly, somebody could easily find a way to make that work for themselves. I'm just not going to take the time to do it because it's Fashion Nova. So let me know, what do you think of the box? Like, this is a good box. I'm happy with it. Got some pieces to send back into the Real. Got a few brands to send back into ThredUp. I've got a few brands to look up and see what's going on. Got the Kate Spade dress, the really nice plus size kimono, the Athleta shorts, some really good like fall wear for Whatnot. So yeah, I don't think I'll have any trouble making my money back on this box. Let me know down below what your all's favorite item was that I got. Let me know if you know about any of these brands that I'm just not familiar with. And thank y'all for joining me. And so I will see y'all here again next time with probably another unboxing. It may be another week or so before I make it back to the bins. So, but I know I've got a couple more ThredUp boxes that'll be here in the next couple of days. So I'll see y'all soon. Bye.